Hi, welcome to this new video tutorial. I'm back with my dev series on different IT topics, and today we are going to discuss about this Firebase error. Need to provide options when not being deployed to OSIN by source. So I got this error here trying to secure the Angular applications with Firebase. So if you stumble again on this error here, I'm going to show you in this video a way around how you can solve it and bypass it. So I'm not going to share the entire source code because in a separate video I will show you how to secure your Angular application with Firebase. But for this one here, here is what I get here. So I have my applications, and then when I start the applications, it works, but it doesn't go to the landing page. If we go to the console, if we go to the console here, we can see that I got this error here. So this is the error that I get here. So if you are also having the same issues here, then this video might be what you need to solve it. So in order to do that, let me bring my VS Code. So in the VS Code, as usual, we have a setup my environment here. Here is my environment with the Firebase configurations, and this environment here is based on this interface here that I created. Then okay, then for now, yeah, I did not even use the interface. Then if we go to this one, so yeah, so I use this one here. I didn't use the interface here, so that was for another case. So this is I took this one from Firebase and just dump it here and set the production to false. And then here is how my module look like. I've imported the modules, Angular Fire modules here, initialize it, and set a parameter to this one. So here is what I have. In your case, you might have a different configurations, provided that it works. Then I got the error that I show you. So that is the error that I got. So with this setup. So in order to solve that, what we need to do is, instead of going in these directions here, what I have come here is I have created a Firebase, a file, a new file that we see here, firebase.config.ts. Here is that one here, and the content of my Firebase configuration is what I dumped here. So very simple. So that's what I did. Here. So you just set this one. Remember, you create this file, firebase.config.ts. Then dump your configurations here. Then now, if we go to the module here, instead of using this one here, so we are going to comment this one, and I'm going to use the Angular module dot initialize, then fire config. This is what I did, and so once we save that, and then once we save that, you can see that I'm in the login page now. So I'm in the login page now, and then the error has gone. The error has gone. So I may even try to log in. If I try to log in to my applications test.com, then I enter the password. Enter the password, press login. You can see that BAM is working. So I got the access now and I can log in. So this was just a demo. And then I hope that this small tutorial here is useful to you and it will allow you to bypass this annoying error. And in case you still have the issue, please drop a comment. In case it's work, share your experience with us or any better way to solve it. So that's it. Thank you and stay tuned for the next tips. Bye.